Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition. Weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday. It's today, Sunday. The weekend edition of February the 10th and 11th, 2024. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. The jigsaw Sudoku number 7982. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. I see here dual boxes. Here, dual box. Yeah, only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be the 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Here also a triple box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this side, but also the other side, should be the 4 or a 5. 4, 5, 4, or 5. Well, this box can be 5, because we already have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4 then. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, no quadra boxes in this puzzle. Well, then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction or the S construction? Let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S construction, remember, if you flip this, rotate this to the right side, then you get the S construction here. If you mirror that shape, you will get the Z, but it's the same shape. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box, so this box has the same name as that box, but also this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. All right. We have only one S construction. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright, so that box has the same name as this box. Alright. The T shape, only one T shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Same for here. Connected with that box, 1 or a 2. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Then these 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. We have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. It's also connected with that box, should be also 1. These 3 boxes, surrounding 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, and now these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5 then. These 3 boxes surrounding 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then, yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4, and this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. Oh, these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this S construction should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 3 should be there. And this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. these two boxes can be surround the 3 can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area should be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, let me mark those. Yeah. Okay, well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left, for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those. Here also 2 and 3, and here also 2 and 3. Okay, and now this box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we saw 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 4 goes there. 1 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, and now this box can be 3, that box can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this W area shape should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area from the numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. This box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 5. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, told you. With 16 pretty digits, cannot be a 4 stars, cannot be a 3 stars, 2 stars, or 1 star. I'm faster than 14 minutes, so let me give this a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again. We will meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.